Bro, you ready to go to camp? Ready to go to Redfield? I think he's ready. I think Bro's ready. Get in the truck, buddy. Get in the truck. Oh, boom. He's gone. Get in the truck, mister. Getting a load of dirt. Clay dirt. Up here in Redfield today. Dwayne's bringing it. Oh yeah, that'll work. There's no clay dirt or nothing up here in Redfield in this property, so I ordered me some. Bet you can't guess what we're doing. That is some serious rocks. Already hit water. This is the guy helping me out today up here in Redfield. There's my clay dirt from Dwayne. See what this looks like when he gets down in there. Already got a bunch of water. Stuff down there. Definitely. Big old he hit shale right down there. Save that one. Yeah, we're gonna save that one. Got plenty of water though, tons of water. I just took my chainsaw and cut some slits in this pipe so that when we backfill with stone, that the water will run in around the stone. Cut like a bunch of them. All along the bottom here. Only up about this far I cut it. So that'll put plenty of water coming in from low instead of high. He's getting quite a hole down in there. It's all shale and just tons of rocks here. I'm glad I had him do it. My little mini would have took me about 6 weeks to hold it this far. He's been here about an hour. Okay guys, he's got the pipe. Gonna set it in the hole. We definitely couldn't get down 20 feet, but we hit bedrock, so he's gonna get it in there. I'm going to be putting stone in with the excavator or with the skidster. We're just gonna get it where we want it, kind of hold it there. I'll just cut it off with a chainsaw later. I gotta get some stone down in there while he holds it in place. On that side. Right on that side? We're leveling it right now. Got the pipe in. He just checked it with the level. So I'm using the stone to kind of level it out. What's that? Oh. Yep. Yeah. Looks good. That's got to be good right there. Perfect. Alright guys, we got our stone in. We got the pipe level, we got our stone in. And we put Verify paper down in there. So the Verify paper is gonna keep the crap out of there. Any sediment and stuff. Gonna keep that out of there. Oops. They're just gonna put that soil that or rock that he dug out of there right over my rock that I put in. We didn't want to go too high with the crushed rock because we wanted to be down in where our vein is. So he's just gonna trickle that around there. Bigger rock. There's our water well. And we're gonna cut it off. Definitely didn't need to be that high. Then we will cap it with clay dirt. What the clay dirt will do is keep some of the surface water from getting in there. Just want to make like a cap of clay, which is clay dirt right there. So as soon as he gets that where he wants it, we'll do our clay dirt. And that's how we're doing it. And I want to build this up too. I don't want it in a low spot, so we're gonna fill in around that. Show you what it looks like when we're done. Filling right in. It's gonna be a good well. Some water in that sucker. There's a hell of a vein running through here. There's a vein that runs right down through here. I used a stick with a Y on it, and you can walk over it and the stick will actually pull down. I can show you that once we're done. I'll show you how I found it. I found that vein. They call it witching. It's an old time way of finding water. 9 o'clock. She's all filled in except the clay dirt, which I'm going to do the clay dirt. He's able to level this out good with his machine. That machine is quick. Just going to smash. Well, it's 9:20 and well is in. I'm just going to cut it off with a chainsaw. We're done. I got the clay dirt around it. Everything's leveled out here. That's what she looks like. No longer a big divot here, so the surface water won't run into it anymore. I'll measure how deep it is when I'm done. Timber! So it's 10:30. I just spread out the stone that I had left over in the driveway, and I put some rocks around the pipe so it doesn't look so funky. And I just measured down in there and I got about 46 inches of water already. And we started this at like 7:30. So she's filling right in. It'll probably seek the level of what the vein is that's coming in. But I don't think water's going to be an issue. It's got to be pumped out so we can get the water cleaner. Once you keep pumping it out, it'll clean all that stone and everything, and the well will get a lot nicer. The water will get a lot nicer. I got it halfway decent. The guy that dug it for me, he's going to get me some big boulders. I'm going to put some big boulders along in here that he's got at his house. So looking good.